says brush your teeth and clean your nose. I love my mom with a good night kiss and a prayer. She's the best mom of anywhere. I love my mom. God gave me my mom. He chose her for me. I trust in His plan and the people He gave to me. I love my mom.
And to care for my heart as it grew, teaching me right from wrong and what is true. I love my mom.
She chose life and gave me a home. When the years speed by and I'm grown, still I love my
Happy
mom.
Mother's Day, Mommy Jane. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Dayday. We thank you for everything that you have done.
And to Nanay Liza.
And to Mommy Inday.
And Tita Midoy.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you all. Ganyan mo.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Anan. Salamat sa tanan. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Giselle. Salamat sa tanan-tanan. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Chacha. We are so blessed to have you. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Charlotte. Thank you sa tanan. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day to my mama, Mama Lisa. Always remember that I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita kahit anuman ang mangyari. I'm always praying for your good health and stay positive lang palagi. And to all mothers out there, Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. We love you.
God bless.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to the most amazing woman I know, Mama Nini Anyover. Thank you for the love that you have given to the family. Ug salamat sa tanang imong gibuhat kanamo, Ma. Ug sa tanang mga nanay, diha, Happy Mother's Day. May the Lord bless you and keep you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama and Nana. I will love you both.
Happy Mother's Day to Mama Shell and to all mothers in the world.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love you and all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Doy. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama and Lola. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Lenny. We love you.
2, 3, go. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita. Thank you sa panandihatag din sa kuha.
Happy Mother's Day, Ate Lablab. Sa imong pagkabutan padayon. Ug sa akong mama, I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day sa akong asawa. Salamat sa tanan nga naaka nagatiman sa atong bata. Hope na bless pa ka ni Lord sa ibok nimo kinabuhi. And more babies to come.
To my mama, Uya, Sising, thank you for your unconditional love. And God bless you more and more. Happy Mother's Day. Love, love.